Hello everyone, I am studying Government Engineering College Ajmer. I am Kishan Lal Kumawat. I present to further slide Wi-Fi technology guided by Anurag Garg present to Dr. Rekha Mehra, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Why 60 GHz? The Wi-Fi technology is increased frequency. The millimeter wave antenna used will operate at 60 GHz, the frequency which is unlicensed band. Because of these bands are very achieve high data rate, the energy propagation is the 60 GHz and band has the unique characteristics that make up possible many other benefits such as excellent immunity to co-channel interference and high security and frequency reuse. And this is Wi-Fi technology is the point-to-point wireless system is operated at a 60 GHz have been used for many years of satellite to satellite communication, broadcasting, sting satellite communication and many. It is the high oxygen saturation at a 60 GHz. It means 10 to 15 dB per kilometer. The following the graph attenuation and frequency. This graph is oxygen molecule O2. The absorbed electromagnetic energy like pieces of food in a microwave oven. This absorption come about the much the higher degree at the 60 GHz than the lower frequency typically used the wireless communication. Signal cannot travel far beyond the intent recipient because absorption weakened the attenuation. The least of 50 to 20 to 50 that not not communicate and signal cannot travel the 60 GHz signal over distance, and for the reason of 60 GHz is a super choice for converted satellite to satellite communication because the earth atmosphere act like a shielded preventing earth base base. A wide variety of components and sub-builds for 60 GHz products are available today because the rich is the application of the band another of condition O2 observation and the radiation of from the particular 60 GHz radio link in the level of the no interference within 60 GHz and the ability of more 60 GHz link operate the similar geographical area then link of longer range as an example out of compared to these similar links and operate near 60 GHz. So frequency that is the least affected by O2 observation. The another link of operation to another unlicensed frequency such as 2.4 GHz or to 24 GHz. The for the reason of 60 GHz is excellent choice of covered the communication. Disadvantages of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The bit rate of Bluetooth is 800 kilobyte per second and Wi-Fi is 11 MB per second. And Wi-Fi technology is 5 gigabit per second and the lower frequency of operation 2.4 gigahertz for the transferring large amount of video, audio, data file taken from the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. But Wi-Fi technology is 60 gigahertz frequency is used and the higher data is transfer is lower power consumption. It means 2 megawatt to 2 milliwatt power consumption is used the Wi-Fi technology. Now features the high speed of data transfer, low power consumption, quick development, small size, cost effective, high security, high performance, high portable and flexible architecture. Now high speed of data transfer it means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth greater than the Wi-Fi technology speed. The Wi-Fi technology is 5 GB per second speed and the lower power consumption it is 2 mega 2 milliwatt power for data transfer of gigabytes of information, where in the present it can 10 milliwatt power, which is a very high and high security. The point-to-point wireless system operating at the 60 GHz has been used for many years by the intelligence communicate for the high security communication by the use of military for the satellite to satellite communication. Now the cost effective, the Wi-Fi is based upon international standard, the mass adoption of the standard and the use of low cost and mass produce the cheapest and the low power at a low price and $10 only, which is a very least as compared to present system. As the development of goes on, the price will be decreased. And now small size, this is chip is just a 5 mm per side, has it in a 1 mm antenna and use of 60 GHz millimeter wave spectrum. Quick development, compare within development of wireless solution, the Wi-Fi is require the little or no external plant construction and high performance, and one particular 60 GHz radio link is quickly reduced to a level that will not interfere with other 60 GHz and like the operating in the some geographic density because the low interference its probability of the high performance. Interference of data and other different type of features in Wi-Fi technology. Now again Wi-Fi technology. First we use the wireless PAN network. The center of notebook and other area of circle, the LAN, PDA, PSTN, GW, fax, handset, printer, cellular phone is 10-meter area is used the Wi-Fi technology. Now again MMM video signal transmission system. This is a video signal transmitter side and 60 GHz operating frequency and receiver signal is video signal. The MM wave is transmission signal and base BS and the home inner side is MM wave LCD TV, wall mount TV and port PD within the TV tuner and so on, and TV with wave is receiver. Now wave is now show the communication of demand of transmission and rebroadcasting of video information. This is diagram is presentation. Now this Wi-Fi integrated transceiver chip may be launched by ending of this year by NICTA due to the least of cost of chip. So many companies forward of launch within the lower cost. The potential of mmWave VPN, the ultra fast data exchange has promoted the companies like the Intel, LG, Panasonic, NEC, Samsung, SIBM, Sony, and Toshiba Computer and Toshiba to form the wireless HD, the industry lead effort to define a specification for the next generation customer electronic product. Conclusion: within 5 years, we expected the Wi-Fi to be dominate the technology for wireless network. By the time it is fully mobile as well as provide the low cost, high broadband exceed broadcasting satellite to satellite point to point connect system within very high security, very high speed, large file can be swapped in within seconds. It is used in hospitality and robotic system on one country to another country easily to operation is successfully, which is will development the wireless home and office features. It if the success of Wi-Fi and the imminent wide use of Wi-Fi makes is an indication. The Wi-Fi potentially can be bring the wireless broadband to the enterprise in a new way. And Wi-Fi technology has a great extent number of applications can be used in many places and device such as wireless PAN network, personal area network, media access network media access control, smartphone, radio signal transmission system. Now recognize series WMS and IEEE chapter and many. P. Shrikant, J.R. Resmine and Jyoti Tiwari, Desai, different of college and university are research paper. Thank you for watching.